What's going on? What's going on? Man, there was a time for a very long time that I really wanted a BMW S1000 RR. I remember back in 2012, everybody hated it. They dogged it, said it was ugly, it had the sockeye, and everybody still loved Ducati. Everybody still loved other bikes, the R1s, the Japanese bikes. And everybody just really hated on BMW because they were a new kid on the block. They were putting in work on World Superbike. And it was just a very like, I don't know, like not a hard to get, but nobody really wanted it. So you rarely see it. Kind of like Aprilia. You don't see too many out on the road compared to the other brands. And I don't know, man, it just seems like in 2025, the BMW S1000 RR has become the new Gixxer 1000, or just the new Gixxer in general. All that hate, all that reputation that the Gixxer has seems to be crossing over to the S1000 RR. Number one, it's just like 2025 has been like the overexposure of the S1000. Everybody has one. It's like, it's not even funny anymore. Literally everybody has one, from like quote unquote real riders to like the casual who just got into riding and they're grabbing an S1000. It's definitely a trend right now. It's definitely a trend. I would say definitely in 2024, 2025, the BMW S1000 is a super trend with influencers from all social medias like YouTube, obviously Instagram, and TikTok is crazy. A lot more stunt riders are actually getting them too, which is crazy, but it just kind of screams like I got a bunch of money and I want attention. You know what I'm saying? You know, the rider ego, the flex culture, it's at an all-time high right now. An all-time high. I don't think I can watch or scroll. I don't think I can scroll down my Instagram feed without seeing at least every other bike being a S1000 RR. They're now calling these guys BMW bros. It's absolutely insane, man. Absolutely insane. But let me know how you guys feel. To me, it's kind of ruined the allure. It's kind of ruined my dream of owning one, honestly, because it just seems so common now that, like, what's special about it? Everybody has like the same build. Everybody's got carbon fiber. It's just, I don't know. It just doesn't make it seem very like valuable, in my opinion, anymore. Like, ooh, look at that. It's a BMW S1000. It's like everybody's got them. So that's why I've been looking more towards Aprilia and Ducati. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. What do you guys think? Is the BMW S1000 overhyped now? Is it oversaturated? What's your take? Peace.